Welcome to my comprehensive review of the SafeAuto app. In today's video, I'm going to take you through my entire experience using the app, from setup to daily use, and give you my honest thoughts on its features and overall performance. When you first launch the SafeAuto app, the interface is clean and intuitive. It's designed with simplicity in mind, so you don't have to be a tech expert to navigate through it. The main screen gives you a quick overview of your account, including your policy details, coverage options, and payment history. This makes it easy to check your information in a glance, which is a huge plus for anyone who values convenience. The app also provides quick access to your insurance cards, making it easy to pull up proof of insurance when you're on the road. No more rummaging through papers or searching your email inbox. Everything you need is right there in the app. The emergency section is another standout feature, offering quick access to roadside assistance, claims filing, and contact information for customer support. If you're in a pinch, this is a great tool to have on hand. Many useful links can be found in the description below, which provide additional resources for understanding and using the SafeAuto app. One of the most useful features of SafeAuto is its ability to track your driving habits. It has a built-in system that monitors things like your speed, braking, and overall driving style. Based on this data, you can earn discounts or rewards for safe driving. This makes it an excellent option for anyone looking to save on insurance premiums, while also improving their driving habits. I've also had positive experiences with the customer service team. Whenever I had a question or needed assistance, I was able to get in touch with a representative quickly. They were friendly and helpful, which is always a good sign when you're dealing with an app that manages something as important as car insurance. However, there are a few drawbacks to the app. For example, some users might find the dashboard a bit too simplistic if they're looking for more detailed analytics or advanced features. Also, the app's compatibility with certain devices can be hit or miss, so it's worth checking if it's fully supported on your phone before downloading. Overall, SafeAuto is a solid driving app that combines convenience with great features like driving rewards, emergency access, and simple policy management. It's perfect for those who want a streamlined app for managing their car insurance and tracking their driving habits. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of apps and services. Thanks for watching.